Hi there guys, we are making a spicy pumpkin and Madeira cake bake for your festive table. Add your pumpkin to a baking tray with your Madeira cake. This is just broken up into pieces. For the custard, some cream, 8 eggs, so it's a liter of cream. We do 8 eggs with that. This is some nutmeg, ginger and cinnamon. Just whisk it together. We add some pumpkin seeds just to let it know where it comes from. 180 degrees, about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you get it out. It smells festive. So just serve this with your whipped cream. Beautiful.